Imagine preparing for your beautiful Nikah ceremony, full of joy and anticipation, only to wonder about a crucial detail: the presence of a guardian. It is a question that brings peace of mind and clarity to many brides as they embark on this sacred journey. If a Muslim bride does not have a traditional guardian, known as a Wali, for her Nikah, her marriage can still be valid under Islamic law. The key is to understand the established procedures for such situations, ensuring that the ceremony fulfills all necessary conditions and provides security and validity for the marriage. The requirement of a Wali stems from the profound wisdom of Islamic teachings, aiming to protect the bride and her interests. A Wali, typically her father, paternal grandfather, or a close male relative, represents her family and ensures that the marriage contract is fair and beneficial for her. This safeguard is not about restricting her choice, but rather about providing support, counsel, and community involvement in such a significant life decision. Different schools of thought within Islam have varying interpretations regarding the absolute necessity of a Wali, with some allowing an adult, sane woman to marry without one if she is mature and making an informed decision, especially if no suitable Wali is available. Should a bride find herself without an available or suitable traditional Wali, there are clear steps to follow. Firstly, assess if there is another eligible male relative in order of proximity who can act as her guardian. If not, the authority usually transfers to an Islamic judge, known as a qadi, or the head of an Islamic center or mosque, who can serve as the sultan's Wali. This official takes on the responsibility to ensure the marriage is sound and protects the bride's rights. The process typically involves presenting the situation to them, explaining why no traditional Wali is present, and obtaining their approval and presence as the guardian for the Nikah ceremony. Understanding the concept of the Sultan's Wali is a vital piece of knowledge for any Muslim bride navigating this situation. This term signifies that, in the absence of a personal guardian, the Islamic State or its representatives step in to fulfill this protective role, underscoring Islam's commitment to ensuring every woman's right to a valid and protected marriage. It highlights the community's collective responsibility in facilitating righteous unions, even under challenging circumstances. Knowing these options provides immense reassurance and confidence. By understanding the role of the Wali and the alternatives available, a Muslim bride can move forward with her Nikah, secure in the knowledge that her marriage is Islamically sound and her rights are upheld, paving the way for a blessed and harmonious beginning to her married life.
If this brings you peace, like, subscribe, and grow in faith with us.